Man, their YouTube has a lot of great video content. With all of this content, where should photographers spend their time? In this video, we're going to talk about just that question. Hey, this is Scott Weidenkifowitz, a storyteller with a camera, talking about all the things photographers like you and I are thinking about. In this video, we're going to talk about all of my recommended YouTube channels for photographers to subscribe to. 18 YouTube photography channels that you should be subscribing to, and why. The first YouTube channel that you should be subscribing to is Aperture. Aperture is a video light company used by a lot of the top YouTubers. Aperture makes fantastic LED video lights. Some of them are affordable, some of them are not. But their YouTube channel shares some extremely educational tutorials on video lighting. Moment Lens. Yeah, they make mobile lenses for phones, like for this one, but their YouTube channel has a lot of great tutorials on creating great photos, creating great videos, and it's really entertaining. My friend Ben Hartley is a fantastic photographer and educator, and he's got a way with words. He is somebody that will inspire you on a daily basis. F64 Academy from my friend Blake Rudis shares fantastic Photoshop tutorials that anybody can follow and digest quite easily. Corey Potter's Fuel Your Photos is the best resource for photographers to learn about SEO in this day and age. Mango Street are a beautiful couple that shares educational content and tutorials around creating videos and photos, and they're extremely artistic. Now, you've probably heard of Peter McKinnon. He is somebody who is always striving for excellence in his video content, and well, he's always pushing his own limits and always experimenting and learning new things and teaching those new things. That's a channel that everybody should be subscribing to. Philip and Eileen Bloom are educators and photographers, and their passion truly shines through every piece that they put out. Of course, you should be subscribing to my YouTube channel, so click subscribe right now if you are digging this video so far, and hit that notification bell. Karate kick it even. You probably want to see what's coming in the future. Mastin Labs is the go-to film replica for Lightroom. They make Lightroom presets that literally replicate film that you love. But they also have awesome educational content on a variety of photography topics. Photofocus is probably a website you've heard of. They've got a blog, but they have podcasts. They also have a great YouTube channel where they share tutorials on software, lighting techniques, posing, and much more. Photographers Adventure Club is from my friend Nick out in Arizona, and he's got a regular show that is great. It shows lots of product reviews and discussion, sort of like a round table type thing. Check that out. If you are a fan of live shows, then check out Photo Joseph. He does daily live shows and really just a lot of great content on a variety of topics, video and photo. Sean Tucker creates stunning imagery, and he shares a lot of behind the scenes on his YouTube channel. My friend Tamara Lackey has the Redefined show and a bunch of other content outside of that show that will truly teach you how to create better photographs of children, of people in general, and now even animals and insects. The art of photography is one that goes way beyond just reviews and tutorials. Ted Forbes digs deep into some of the photographers that you know and love. My friend Rachel Branke has the Law Talk and teaches legal things for photographers. Check that out. But no, she's not your lawyer unless you pay her money to be. Togs in Business is where Julie Christie can teach you about business on a variety of genres in photography. Now, I know that I said I had 18, and that was 18, but I got 3 bonus channels that I hope that you will check out as well. By the way, did you click subscribe yet? Because if you didn't, now's a good time too. Brian Matiash is a friend of mine, and he's got a great channel where he shares a variety of tutorials as well. But he also has a show called the No Name Photo Show, and it's sort of a back and forth discussion on whatever is happening in photography today. Check out Brian Matiash's channel and No Name Photo Show. Matt Klazowski used to work for Kelby One, but a couple years ago went out on his own, and he shares a large amount of educational videos about photo editing in Photoshop, in On1, in Lightroom, and many, many others. And last, but definitely not least, is one that I have only discovered more recently, but I've already become a big fan of her work, the Snap Chick. She does some product reviews, and she does some lighting tutorials and some photo tutorials. It's really easy to digest her content. She's relatable, and she's just great on camera. So definitely check out her channel as well, the Snap Chick. There you have it. That's a variety of YouTube channels that I recommend you check out. I'm going to link to them all in the description below, but please don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now. Hit that subscribe button. Hit it now. Don't forget, you're supposed to hit it. Did you hit it yet? Did you hit it yet? And don't forget that notification bell. Thanks for watching.